Number 10, cosine pi x equals 0.5 on the interval from 0 including to 2. All right, so here's my interval. I see that my argument is anything other than a plain old x, so I'm going to let u equal pi x. If I have a u substitution with the argument of the trig function, I'm going to have to adjust my interval. I'm going to try to match this guy to this guy. I'm going to multiply everything in here by pi. My new interval is 0 is less than or equal to pi x, which is less than 2 pi. All right, cool. So now I have, I already did the let statement, sorry. Now I have the cosine of u is equal to 1/2. The cosine of u is equal to 1/2 is going to be a special trig ratio. I'm going to go on my special trig ratios chart, and I'm going to look for the cosine of 1/2. The reference angle will be pi over 3. I'm now going to have to consider the quadrant given the sign of the trig function. This guy is positive. So let's look for all the quadrants where cosine is positive. Cosine is negative here, and he is negative here. The two quadrants that we want are quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. So we have a reference angle of pi over 3. So our solution in quadrant 1 would be pi over 3. Rotated into quadrant 4. I'm going around the unit circle, right? I have pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and then 5 pi over 3. All right, cool. So now I have u equals pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Let's take those solutions and set them back equal to our substitution, which was pi x. I now have 3 pi x equals pi. Divide both sides by 3 pi. Pi's cancel, and I'm left with x equals 1/3. 5 pi over 3 is equal to pi x over 1. 3 pi x equals 5 pi. My solutions are x equals 1/3, x equals 5/3.